Are you selling sofas online and looking to increase your average order value? With Aco Custom Product Options, customers can personalize their sofa purchase directly on the product page. Let them upgrade to premium fabrics, add an extended warranty for extra protection, or choose faster delivery for quicker arrival. As customers select additional options, pricing updates automatically, making the buying experience simple and transparent. Offer more choices, increase customer satisfaction, and grow your revenue with Aco Custom Product Options. Turn every sofa product page into a smarter, higher-converting shopping experience.
First, let's create a blank form and then give a title to the form.
Then let's add our first field to the form, which is the product group field.
Then let's give a label to the field and add the upsell product to the form using product group field.
You can change the interface of the product group field using the UI option.
Then let's add a single checkbox field to the form to add the extended warranty option.
Then let's give a label to the field and enable the price option to charge the user based on the percentage of the product price. And next, let's add another single checkbox field to the form to add the speed delivery option that charges the fixed amount for each order. You can enter the conditions and allowances of the free delivery option on the description option of the form. Then let's enable the pricing option of the field and enter the price for the speed delivery option. And finally, let's save the form and connect the form to the product using the Connect Product option. Once opening the product page, let's check how the form works on the page by placing a test order. Once filling the form, let's add the product to the cart by clicking Add to Cart button. Now you have added the product option to the checkout page, and the upsell product is perfectly binded with the order options.